Hello to all supervisors. My name is Trisha Kong. Today I will present my CIPTA through this pre-recorded video. Firstly, let me reintroduce my research topic, which is exploration with hand painting on fabric as a form of textile art. What is hand painting? So hand painting technique is a method of applying color directly to the fabric and patterning by resisting patterns and image coloring. This is by Fabric Painting Technique 2017. For my problem statement, so according to Gaffney 2011, the technique in batik painting can be varied from choosing waxes to dyes and tools. The wide range of techniques and methods available offers creative artists an opportunity to explore the uniqueness of hand painting and also allow artists to express their creativity. And also from Martinique 2016, which creative artists are now still searching and experimenting with materials, techniques, and concepts when creating modern textile art and pushing the limit of the medium. For my research question, so the first is there other resist medium can be explored? The second is, do different types of fabrics affect the effectiveness of the resist? Third, how dyes or paints react to different types of resist. For my research objective, the first, to explore potential resist medium for hand painting on fabric. Second, to identify suitable resist for different types of fabric. Third, to identify suitable dye or paint for different types of resist. For my exploration, so my exploration will be on types of fabric, which are for the pre-wash is satin, Oxford, crepe, and jersey. For unwashed, canvas, chiffon, calico, and cotton mini drill. As for types of resist, there are toothpaste, floor paste, batik wax, hot glue, all-purpose white glue, glue stick, and multi-purpose adhesive. As for paints or dyes, I have chose acrylic paint, watercolor paint, textile paint, fabric dye, batik dye, which is also known as remazole. And also, the exploration of hand painting on fabric is similar to batik technique, except that batik uses chanting. But in my research, I am using other tools such as brushes, cotton buds, hot glue gun to replace the chanting method. For my idea and research development for previous version 1 to version 3. So for version 1, my selected subject matter is floral. The flora is inspired by flora in Kinabalu National Park in Sabah. And this is the patterns. It is a repetitive patterns. And these are the samples of exploration with hand painting on fabric. So for the second version, is also the same subject matter. However, the second version pattern is much center drawing, and it is for large scale painting. And these are the sample. So for version 1 and 2, I get comments from some supervisors saying that the pattern is very similar to batik style and recommend me to try set a team to work with. So in version 3, I take the supervisor's suggestion to set a team, and I chose Sabah ethnic as my team. The Sabah minorities consist of Karazan Dusun, Bajau, and Murut, and my inspiration comes from the Linangkit, which is a form of embroidery by women from several native tribes in Sabah, Borneo to add decorative features of the costume. And also pattern and colors from the traditional costume, which portray their own cultural identity. For the mood board, it is a concept of geometric and abstract style, and this is the patterns. and this is the samples. So for the version 3, the comments that I get is the design looks quite simple and suggests to make it look more complex. So moving to the version 4, which is the CIPTA, and it is a continuous for version 3. So for version 4, I think of adding more tribal pattern for the design, but still maintain the geometric shapes and form and also abstract art style. So these are the patterns for my final product. And here are the progress for each product. For the video, you can search it in the Google Drive. I will upload it. So the final product is to make a wall art, and this is a decision I have made after discussing with my supervisors. And also one of my supervisor suggests to use mixed media, or else it just looks like an ordinary painting. And I decided to use hand stitching to create patterns to add texture to the wall art. And here is the review for the final products. And I have made 5 products, which the first 3 product is made in a big scale and the last 2 is made in a smaller scale. And that is all from my CIPTA presentation. Thank you.